Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Mr. Clean Magic Eraser for the bathroom. So as you can see, it's a light white sponge, and it has a little design on this side and then another one on this side, and it's pretty light. So what I love about these is that they really do most of the work for me. When I use these, I don't have to do a lot of scrubbing. You know, I can just wet it, which is, I wet this one here, and as you can see, once you wet it, there's some foam that comes out, and I just go ahead and I just start scrubbing. And as you can see, like, it comes right off. So I absolutely love using these things. They make my life so much easier. And if you are looking for a good way to clean your bathroom but not have to put in so much elbow grease, I highly recommend that you give these a try. And that's my point of view.